Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a fun calendar dress on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have joined a Dress to Impress and then I'm going to go to the dressing room and then I'm going to wait. Let me enter the room. Okay, and I'm going to go to the coats and I'm gonna wear this dress. Okay, and we're going to color it gray for the first part. I'm going to show you the color code. Wait. Okay, you can color it this one guys. This is for the code, and then for the second part you can choose this color. Okay, this is for the code, and don't forget to make it glitter. For the first part I'm going to make it glitter, and then for the second part make it silk. And I'm sorry guys that the material maybe is not working on my Dress to Impress, but I hope that it will works on you so you can make the dress glitter. Okay, and then we're going to go to this area. I'm going to grab this sleeves. Oops. Okay, you can grab the sleeves and then I'm going to color it the same with my dress. Okay, I'm gonna make it glitter as well, and we're going to color it this one. Okay, and this is the final looks. If the glitter works on your Dress to Impress, it will be more captivating or more stunning, but I'm so sorry that the glitter is not working here. And okay guys, that's all the way to create advanced calendar dress on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.